Are Coursera guided projects actually helpful? Or are they just a shortcut that doesn't teach you much? In this video, I'll explain what guided projects are, who they're best for, and when they're worth your time. Quick heads up, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for the whole year for a limited time offer. So if you want to complete multiple guided projects and courses, that can be one of the cheapest legit options. A Coursera guided project is a short, hands-on lesson where you learn by doing. Instead of long video lectures, you follow step-by-step instructions and complete a small, real task, usually in under a couple of hours. These projects are designed to feel like real work, like creating a spreadsheet dashboard, building a simple website, designing something in Canva, or doing a beginner data task. Guided projects are most useful if you're a beginner and you want quick progress. They help you build confidence fast because you actually finish something instead of getting stuck watching tutorials. They're also great if you want to test a skill before committing to a full course, since you get a real preview of what the work is like. Another big advantage is that you end up with something you can show. Even if it's small, it proves you practice the skill. If you're building a portfolio, guided projects can help you collect mini projects that show progress, especially if you later expand them into a bigger personal project. But guided projects aren't perfect. Because they're short, they don't always go deep, and sometimes they feel like following instructions instead of solving problems. So, if your goal is to master a skill or prepare for interviews, you'll still need a full course and extra practice. The smartest way to use guided projects is simple: finish one, then repeat it without the instructions. Change the topic, change the data, or customize the final result. That step turns it from something you followed into something you truly learned. If you want to check which guided projects are included in Coursera Plus and see the cheapest official pricing in your country, I'll put my link in the description.